Money is one of the most important things in life. It can buy us the things we need and the things we want. Unfortunately, many people struggle to manage their money effectively. They live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. But it doesn't have to be that way. In today's video, we will outline 7 simple steps to help you master your money and make every penny count. Step 1. Create a budget. Creating a budget is the foundation of good financial management. It helps you to understand how much money you have available and where your money is going. By tracking your expenses, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make the necessary adjustments to stay within your means. It's important to ensure that your budget is realistic and that you can stick to it. A common mistake people make is creating a budget that is too strict, leaving no room for unexpected expenses or emergencies. To avoid this, it's essential to be honest with yourself about your spending habits and create a budget that takes into account your lifestyle and priorities. To create a budget, start by listing all of your sources of income. This includes your salary, any freelance work, rental income, etc. Next, list all of your expenses. This includes your rent or mortgage payment, utilities, car payment, groceries, etc. Once you have your income and expenses listed, subtract your expenses from your income to see how much money you have left over each month. You can also use budgeting tools or apps to help you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. Here's a few recommended tools to get you started. Remember to conduct your own research and due diligence on each tool. Every Dollar, a budgeting tool that helps you create a monthly budget and track your expenses. Pocket Guard, a personal finance app that helps you manage your money, track your spending, and save more. Wally, a budgeting app that helps you track your expenses and save money. Good Budget, a budgeting app that uses the envelope method to help you manage your money. Tiller, a budgeting tool that automates your finances by pulling data from your financial accounts and organizing it in a spreadsheet. Remember, creating a budget is just the first step. It's important to review and adjust your budget regularly to ensure that it continues to meet your needs and goals. Step 2. Prioritize your expenses. Once you have a budget in place, it's important to prioritize your expenses. This means deciding which expenses are the most important and which ones can be cut back if necessary. For example, your rent or mortgage payment is likely your most important expense, followed by utilities, groceries, and transportation. Entertainment expenses, such as eating out or going to the movies, can be cut back if necessary. By prioritizing your expenses, you can ensure that you are spending your money on the things that matter most. Step 3. Set savings goals. Setting savings goals is an important part of mastering your money. This means deciding how much money you want to save each month and what you want to save for. For example, you may want to save for a down payment on a house, a new car, or a vacation. Whatever your savings goals are, it's important to set them and to stick to them. To make saving easier, consider setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Congratulations! You've made it through the first 3 steps of mastering your money. By now, you should have a solid understanding of your current financial situation and a clear budget in place. But don't stop there. If you want to take your financial game to the next level and start building real wealth, you need to stay committed to the process. That's why it's time to talk about Step 4. But before we dive into that, I want to invite you to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos on financial education and wealth building tips. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and build the future we deserve. Now let's move on to Step 4. Step 4. Create an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money set aside for unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or a medical bill. It's important to have an emergency fund in place so that you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans to cover unexpected expenses. To create an emergency fund, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Step 5. Pay off debt. If you have debt, such as credit card debt or a car loan, it's important to pay it off as quickly as possible. Debt can be a major drain on your finances, and it can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. To pay off debt, consider using the debt snowball method. This involves paying off your smallest debt first, then applying that payment to your next smallest debt, and so on. By focusing on one debt at a time, you can make progress and eventually become debt-free. Step 6. Invest for the future. Investing is a critical step in building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. While saving money is a necessary part of financial planning, investing allows your money to grow and work for you over time. It is important to understand that investing always involves some degree of risk. but the potential rewards can be significant, especially over a long period. When considering where to invest your money, it's essential to consider your goals and risk tolerance. Retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs are excellent options for long-term investing because they offer tax advantages and are designed to help you save for retirement. However, it's also important to consider other investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. It's crucial to do your research and seek advice from professionals to ensure that you make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it's essential to stay disciplined and patient to achieve your goals. Here's a few recommended tools to get you started. Remember to conduct your own research and due diligence on each tool. Investing. TD Ameritrade, a brokerage firm that offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Wealthfront, a robo-advisor that offers automated investing, tax loss harvesting, and financial planning services. E-Trade, an online brokerage that offers a variety of investment products and tools, including options trading and margin accounts. M1 Finance, an investment platform that offers customizable portfolios and fractional shares. Charles Schwab, a brokerage firm that offers a broad range of investment products and services, including retirement accounts and financial planning tools. Remember, it's important to do your research and seek professional advice before making any investment decisions. Step 7. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Finally, it's important to review and adjust your budget regularly. Your income and expenses may change over time, so it's important to make sure that your budget reflects these changes. Review your budget at least once a month and make adjustments as necessary. By keeping your budget up to date, you can ensure that you are always in control of your finances. In summary, mastering your money is not an easy task, but it's worth the effort. By following these 7 simple steps, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to create a budget, prioritize your expenses, set savings goals, create an emergency fund, pay off debt, invest for the future, and review and adjust your budget regularly. With these steps in place, you can make every penny count. If you liked this video, you'll love 7 frugal ways to save money in 2023. Stay tuned and watch this next video.